Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic of discussion is anatomy of eye. We can say structure of eyeball. Today I will explain only the basic structure of eye. You know very well there are three layers of eye. The outermost layer is called as fibrous layer, or it can also called as corneosacral layer. This gray color portion of the eye is the most outer layer, and this is fibrous layer or corneosacral layer. Front 1/6 of this corneosacral layer is called as cornea 1/6, and back 5/6 is called as sclera. Now the second layer of eye, that is red in this diagram, is called as uveal layer, or we can say it as vascular layer. The function of this layer is to provide blood to the eye. That's why it's also called as vascular layer. The front portion of this vascular layer is, here you can say ciliary processes. Here is ciliary body. The function of the ciliary processes is to secrete the aqueous humor, and the function of ciliary bodies is to change the shape of the lens. And further we go forward, then this is iris. Iris basically controls the shape of pupil, and pupil controls the amount of light entering to the eye. Now third and innermost layer of the eye is retina. Retina plays a role like film in the camera. The function of retina is to form image in the eye. This innermost yellow color is retina of the eye. Now we will divide from cornea to the retina into two parts. From back part of the cornea to the back part of the lens, this is called as anterior segment. From back part of the lens to the retina, this is called as posterior segment. Anterior segment is smaller in size, but we will again divide the anterior segment into two parts. From cornea to the front part, anterior part of the iris is called as anterior chamber. From anterior part of the iris to the anterior part of the lens, it is called as posterior chamber. Now, what is the function of lens? Lens can refract the light. It plays in refraction. It plays a role in focusing of light. If it is thicker, it is fatty, then its refractive power increases. If lens become thinner, as like it's in the innermost part, then its refractive power decreases. This plays in refractive power of the eye. This plays in focusing of light rays. This is the basic structure of eyeball. This was the basic part of ophthalmology, basic topic of ophthalmology. After today, we will start to study all the topics of ophthalmology one by one. Inshallah, we will grow step by step. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much.